Build a little 18-inch bench and take you guys along and show you how I do it. Enjoy the ride. This one done in record time. Take a look. Little handle hole on top. Nice little legs here. Easy to pick up. Easy to move around. Very sturdy. Ready? Think she's gonna hold me? We're surfing. Surfing the internet. Right here at Colliers Wood Shop. Thank you guys for watching. We build benches, we build charcuterie boards, we build just about anything. I appreciate you coming along and watching me build this little bench tonight. Have a good one. Please like, subscribe, spread the word. Colliers Wood Shop. Thank you.